Ipedang so bahai pi sisian pat hakane video mentanyun ra HP ke jenglek kai hapadeng ke India balik ke Pakistan ke India kelayo men pelim no ya ke Pakistan dah spak kat kendai parvik ron ke map ke Pakistan spak kendai poi ron hakane ke jenglek kai IShowSpeed bedai uai naki YouTuber bapau li ngak benong ko bunong le komedi bapau jong kapatai kumba barok kitem IShowSpeed udai fan biggest fan jong Ronaldo bat haka World Cup mulai sport Qatar ben sport ya Portugal mentapan once India ben sport ya ke India baru mau dari biggest fan jong Virat Kohli. Ini video lah pen IShowSpeed boleh lihat kai bat kinong India dah ke bapang ya kalunggi bat ke jersey jong geri India bat take away ke video lah pen IShowSpeed.
I can't stop you driving. Chat, is this by Red Kohli Grandpa?
Kai
yes or no?
Budi baru orang budi.
You scared the fuck out of me. Up there. What is he? Let's do it up there. Bro, what is happening? Come on, dance. There we go. Bro, why nobody dancing? Why is nobody dancing? That's the tunic, bro. Why is nobody dancing to the tunic? Am I playing the wrong song? Come on. Come on. Man. Chat, they not lit, bro. Chat, they not lit, bro. Chat, they not lit. His nickname is Charpy. Your nickname is Charpy?
No way, man. Which?
Oh, yeah.